My name is Amy, and I'm a physician in Portland, Oregon. It was about 2017. A couple of years before that, I had been divorced and realized that even though I'm a doctor, I don't know anything about finances and investing and the retirement plans, and started to do some reading to really try to figure out what I was going to do next. And so I ran across Phil's book and read it and felt like I could understand this. And they were offering the workshop at the time, but it was across the country, all the way in Atlanta. And so I just bit the bullet and said, yes, I'm going to go. And so I showed up and it was great. Best thing I ever did. The workshop started off for me a little rough. Again, not knowing anything about investing, and this was back before we had as many of the tools to help us out, and so it was a lot of stuff we had to try to figure out all on our own. And so by the end of that first section, I was quite frustrated. Wasn't sure if I was going to do this. But then they started talking about the options and the next type of trading to do with them, and I could understand it. I could understand the numbers and the formulas, and I was like, I can do this. So did this workshop and had this aha moment about, yes, this is something I can really do. What next? And we were given homework. And I was so excited about the homework. I went right home. I finished it within record time. And that was the big piece, I think, that helped my confidence grow, that no, I could do this. It's opened my eyes more to the world just in general, because we have to kind of keep an eye on what companies we want to use and what's going on in the world that might affect them. So it's really been an eye-opening experience for someone who tended to be a little more, blindered in the medical field. I feel more independent with my money, and instead of letting somebody else handle it, who knows what they're going to do with it, how are they going to make decisions, or what companies are they going to buy with my funds, could be something I totally don't support. But now I feel like I can support those companies that are following my values. Yeah, don't think about it, just go. Just go, get yourself there no matter what, and keep an open mind. I know some people can get frustrated because there's a lot of super information, but you just stick with it and go through the whole workshop, and it'll be like a tunnel opening into the light.